bought this Petsup mineral cat litter sand bundle with free deodorizer beads. 3 kilos each litter that my cat will use for a month. Budget friendly and sure quality. Cutie sticker. Fine sand litter it is, unlike other litter that looks like beads. Let's see the texture. For more odor control, I'll put this litter deodorizer. Just sprinkle and blend it with a scooper. Let's see how strong it clumps. Wow, it is really high absorption and instant suction, not easily crushed. Get yours now. Just click the yellow basket.